Yeah, now it's starting. See, 1, 2. Alright. Oh, it's cold. These rocks hurt. Look.
Oh, poor little baby. You're stepping in our carrots. Cannonball. Go.
I had my feet hit the ground. I'll tell you it wasn't deep enough.
You're supposed to land on your butt.
There ain't no way. Yeah, now I'm cold.
All right, come on. We'll go back to the house.